Newton's law of universal gravitation states that any two particles or point masses attract each other along the line connecting them with a mutual force whose magnitude is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between the particles. This mutual force is what we call the gravitational force. Now let's assume this gravitational force is F, which is acting between two masses m1 and m2, and they are r distance apart. Then the gravitational force F is given by F is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. Here G is the universal constant of gravitation, which is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This concept is very preliminary, elementary concept. We all have studied in the high school, but it was required to add it into the course so that you can get a quick revision, because I have seen many students, those who are pursuing MTech, those who are pursuing MS and all, they forget the gravitation equation. This particular equation they used to forget. That's why. Now let's move on to Earth's gravity also. Let's assume Earth is stationary and it's a spherical body, not an oblate spheroid, and the radius of this spherical body is r. Then the gravitational force of the Earth due to its mass, let's say m, acting on a body of mass m, let's say any body that is in Earth's surface that is placed at a height h above the surface of Earth would be what? F is equal to G m into m by r plus h square. And this force is eventually what? Is the weight of the body, and it is equals to mg. Therefore we can derive acceleration due to gravity from these two equations, that is F is equal to G m by r plus h whole square and F is equal to mg. So from there we get G is equal to G, that is the gravitational constant, into capital M, that is the mass of Earth, by r plus h whole square. This particular value of G, or acceleration due to gravity, is approximately 9.81 meter per second square. And just for the sake of solving numericals, for convenience, we take it as 10 meter per second square. At least that's what we do in India. I don't know about which country you are, but it might differ. Some people adhere to exact values and some people don't.